AI engine in Python, ML. Product, SmartSchoolStart. Submodule, SmartSchoolStudent. The histogram is a type of graph that shows the distribution of data. In this case, the data is the number of students who received each grade. The horizontal axis shows the letter grades, A, B, C, D, and F. The vertical axis shows the frequency or the number of students. Product developed by Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AIDNN architect. Here's how a histogram showing student grades can help management for DSS, decision support systems. Identify performance trends. By visualizing the distribution of grades, management can easily identify trends in student performance across a class or grade level. For instance, a histogram with a large spike in low grades, D or F, might indicate a need for additional support in that subject or a specific student group. Compare performance groups. Management can compare student performance across different groups, example classes, demographics, by analyzing multiple histograms. This can reveal areas where certain groups might be struggling and require targeted interventions. Monitor progress over time. Tracking changes in the distribution of grades over time, through a series of histograms, can help assess the effectiveness of implemented programs or interventions. Benefits for DSS. Data visualization. Histograms provide a clear visual representation of student performance data, making it easier for management to understand complex information at a glance. Informed decision making. By identifying trends, comparing groups, and monitoring progress, DSS can provide insights to support data-driven decisions about resource allocation, instructional strategies, or student support programs. Additional considerations. While helpful, histograms only show the distribution of grades and don't provide information on individual student performance. DSS considers other data sources alongside student grades, example attendance data, standardized test scores, for a more comprehensive picture. It's important to consider factors like class size and grading scales when interpreting histograms to avoid misleading conclusions. Overall, student grade histograms are a valuable tool for visualizing student performance data, which informs decision-making within a DSS for better student outcomes. Given that there are 20 students, and the histogram shows the distribution of their grades, here's how to interpret the graph. 1 Number of students per grade. The height of each bar in the histogram represents the number of students who received that specific grade. 2 Identifying grades. The horizontal axis, x-axis, lists the different letter grades, A, B, C, D, F. 3 Scale. The vertical axis, y-axis, is labeled to indicate the number of students represented by each unit height on the bar. For example, if a bar for a particular grade reaches twice the height of another bar, it represents twice the number of students. For interpreting the distribution, analyze the heights of the bars to understand how many students received each grade. The tallest bar indicates the most common grade. Shorter bars represent fewer students receiving those grades. Example. The histogram has the following features. The x-axis lists A, B, C, D, and F. There's a tall bar for C, a slightly shorter bar for B, and even shorter bars for A, D, and F. Interpretation. Most students, perhaps around 10, received AC based on the tallest bar, assuming equal spacing on the y-axis. Fewer students, 5 to 6, got AB based on the shorter bar for B. Even fewer students received A, D, and F based on the shortest bars. Remember, the exact number of students per grade depends on the specific scaling of the y-axis. The key takeaway is the relative distribution of grades, with the tallest bar representing the most common grade and shorter bars indicating fewer students in those categories. Given the name SmartSchoolStart and AI submodule SmartSchoolStudent, here's a breakdown of what they represent. Product, SmartSchoolStart, AI engine as product. The SmartSchoolStart is an AI engine product is a platform designed for schools. Start could imply it's targeted towards newly established schools or those implementing a new management system. Submodule, SmartSchoolStudent. The SmartSchoolStudent is a module within the SmartSchoolStart product. It focuses on managing student information, data, and potentially activities within SmartSchoolStart. Here are some functionalities of SmartSchoolStudent. Student information management, storing student data like demographics, contact details, enrollment information, and attendance records. Academic performance tracking, recording grades, test scores, and other academic achievements. Progress reporting, generating reports on student progress and performance for parents, teachers, or administrators. Communication tools, facilitating communication between teachers, students, and parents. Learning management, potentially managing online learning materials, assignments, and submissions. Additional. The functionalities of SmartSchoolStudent is well equipped with overall features of SmartSchoolStart. Our other sub-modules within SmartSchoolStart are managing teachers, classes, schedules, and administrative tasks. Overall, SmartSchoolStart with its SmartSchoolStudent sub-module is AI engine in Python machine learning, ML. For schools to manage student data, track performance, and potentially support communication and learning activities. SmartSchoolStart, with its SmartSchoolStudent sub-module, is a valuable tool for school management and stakeholders in several ways, an AI engine with Python machine learning, ML. Here's a breakdown of the benefits. Improved efficiency of the schools. Centralized data management, SmartSchoolStudent can streamline student data management by storing information like demographics, contact details, enrollment, and attendance in a central location. This eliminates the need for paper records and reduces the risk of errors. Automated tasks, the AI software automates repetitive tasks like attendance tracking or grade calculation, freeing up valuable time for teachers and administrators. Streamlined communication, communication tools within SmartSchoolStudent can facilitate communication between teachers, students, and parents. This improves collaboration and keeps everyone informed. Enhanced decision making. Performance tracking, by tracking grades, test scores, and other achievements, SmartSchoolStudent can provide valuable insights into student progress. This allows teachers and administrators to identify students who might need extra help or enrichment opportunities. Data-driven decisions, the data collected by SmartSchoolStudent is used to generate reports that help school management make informed decisions about resource allocation, curriculum development, and instructional strategies. Identifying trends, analyzing student data reveals trends in performance across classes, grade levels, or demographics. This helps school management target interventions and support programs to where they're most needed. Benefits for stakeholders. Teachers, SmartSchoolStudent can save teachers time on administrative tasks, allowing them to focus on lesson planning and interacting with students. Students, the platform can provide students with access to their grades, assignments, and learning materials, promoting self-directed learning. Parents can stay informed about their child's progress through communication tools and progress reports. Potential with AI and machine learning. AI and machine learning, SmartSchoolStart. Predictive analytics, machine learning models could predict student performance or identify students at risk of falling behind, allowing for early intervention. Personalized learning, AI could personalize learning experiences by recommending resources or adapting lesson plans based on individual student needs. Overall, an AI engine, SmartSchoolStart with its SmartSchoolStudent submodule offers a comprehensive solution for managing student data, tracking performance, and potentially supporting communication and learning activities. This software is a valuable asset for school management and all stakeholders in improving school operations and student outcomes. Thank you.